Hi guys, welcome to Operation Crypto. Today this is a price analysis update on Coti. We've not looked at it for quite a while now, so we definitely overdue some analysis. We'll have a look at what's gone on over the course of the last few weeks, and then we'll have a look at the latest price action and potentially put a little bit of a bearish spin on that and have a look at some levels we could invest, and then into some bullish price analysis, and we'll have a look at some key levels above, and then into some price predictions going in towards this alt season that we are expecting over the course of the next few months. If you're new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. So welcome to the channel. As ever, we are sponsored by Cointelegraph Markets Pro. It is a platform where you can get daily alerts on anything that's going on in crypto with regards to news alerts, and also you can check historical facts of assets. So you'll find a full project review on the homepage of my YouTube channel. So Coti USDT pairing. This is the daily time frame. I'm using a Binance chart. We had a huge cup and handle breakout here. If we just mark it up, and I'll show you exactly what it is. If you're new to crypto, or even if you're unaware of that pattern, you could even go from there. To be honest, if you look at that, the top there, huge cup, and then we had the handle, which was pretty much looking like a falling wedge there. We had that breakout to the upside, as you can see, bang, straight back up, created a bull flag, but then nothing materialized from that, and we are pretty much going sideways, really, consolidating below all-time highs, which is around 69 cents. On CoinGecko, it says 66 cents, but if you look at this and you zoom in from the daily to the 4 hour, it pretty much touched it there, so I'm not sure what's going on with that wick, but let's put a little bit of a bearish spin on this. The RSI is dropping now. It's only 38, so that is showing that there is quite a lot of room for maneuver above, and what I want to do is analyze this latest move. So this is a bottom here, and that's the top. We have had a couple of retracements within that move, but I want to look at the bigger picture and have a look at the entire move there. So in terms of Fibonacci's, we've got bottom, the top, we have retraced, and we are using this golden ratio now as support. We had a couple of wicks below it, but as you can see, we closed directly on that, pretty much that 618 support. The golden ratio, if you ever watch my channel, is just a key level that we always seem to hit. Whenever you're looking for potential buys on quite a significant move to the upside, usually target buys from laddering down from this 382 region down to a 618, and you can see, look at that, tap, closure, tap. So that is a key fundamental area at 52 cents. If you're looking for buys, I would still consider buys at 52 cents. We're currently at 53, so it's not a million miles off. And just be wary that we could also come down and retest this area where we had a little bit of trading, so that is at around 48 cents, but I wouldn't bank on that too much, to be honest. If you've got a little bit of spare tether on the side, maybe just test your luck and wait to see if we do get a drop to that area, because that possibility always remains that we could get a little shakeout from Bitcoin, and if that did happen, the entire market would follow it down as usual, because Bitcoin is still king. Looking at this move though on this 4 hour time frame, as you can see, we are downtrending now, and this brings me into a bit of a bullish bit of price action here. As you can see, we are pretty much coming to a loggerheads here. We've got the support of a 618 coming to an end with that downtrend there. We could break out of this now, and if we do break out, there's a couple of key levels we need to target to take profit. We've obviously got this region here. Look at that, resistance. All the way through here was resistance, and pretty much it is a confluent area all the way through. So if you're looking to skim some profit off, whether you buy at these regions or you bought way down below, I would consider 59 cents a nice area to take some profit. We then have 69 cent, 70 cent region, and then what we can do is we can look at some of these extensions at 76 and 86 cents. Moving averages, what are they saying? Bearish cross so far on the 4 hour, and if we look at the daily, things are looking very, very bullish. One thing I want to tell you, which I always look for on a bullish breakout. So we've had a bullish cross down here, the moving average 20 and the moving average 50. We've had a bullish cross now, and whenever we are in a uptrend, what I look for is retests of that moving average 50. Look at this. We've had them here. We come back up, and look at that. We've actually wicked right down to that moving average 50 again and retested it. So look at that there as well. So many tests at moving average 50, and no closures below it, to be honest. Look at that. No closure below it. no closures below it, and things are looking good. So that is a bullish sign for long-term trend growth, and we are in an uptrend, and that will continue to be an uptrend. I can see it not going any lower. And that, to be honest, I mean, if you're looking for some orders, 50 cent may be a potential wick down, but we've already done that. So for me, I honestly think it's up only from here. So things are looking bullish. I always look for those bullish retests. Whatever altcoin you're looking at, whether it's your favorite altcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, when we've had that bullish breakout, we're moving averages, and you're looking for a retest, you're looking here, it's miles away from that 50. If you're ever looking for a retest and some entries, wait for that moving average 50 tap. That is a bit of a insider trading info for you there. So I teach everybody what I say over in my Patreon. So if you want more hands-on help, head over to my Patreon. We've got a trading academy there where we are building out a trading course, and I can help you with anything to do with trading and crypto analysis. So that's your buy zones there. Obviously, sell zones I've mentioned there, 8 to 6. But what I want to do is looking more in depth at some key levels to target above, and that goes into price predictions. And I want to put a Fibonacci on from the previous highs here back in March all the way to the lows there. We've done a massive recovery now, and this will give us some levels above where we can target for price predictions and take profits. If you've bought Coti down here, sub 50 cent, and you're thinking, right, I'm going to ride it up to $10 and not take any profit on my way up there, I'm going to stop you right there. Taking profit is king. Even if it's 1 to 5%, skimming it off at each level, make sure you take profit on the way up, because that's how you build your wealth. Skim profits off and then recycle that into new assets and new horizons. So looking at price levels here to take profit, with 89 cent, 121, 139, 178, 238, and then we've got 338. These are levels Fibonacci wise that push out some great levels for you to take profit in. And for me, those are some key levels where I don't hold Coti, but if I was, that is levels I would be using to take profit on that way up. So that's pretty much the analysis on the USDT pair covered. That's some buy zones in terms of a bearish perspective, and then sell zones on the way up. Remember, keep taking profit. So that's that pair covered. If we just take a quick look at the BTC pairing, which in my opinion I think is going to be a little bit bearish over the course of the next few weeks. Bitcoin is going to start pushing, reclaiming market dominance. Altcoins in the BTC pairs are going to start to dwindle and drop off. A couple of key levels to monitor there. We have this here, as you can see, is support there all the way through, and resistance, and then we've got this region down here. So if you're looking for some buys in Coti, in BTC, then I would potentially ladder some down from 730 all the way down to 540 satoshis. That is the areas I would use to potentially buy some Coti if the market does allow, and if Bitcoin really starts to push up, because when Bitcoin is pushing and regaining market dominance, altcoins and the Satoshi pairs will start to dwindle. I'm not going to look at any levels above, because for me, I really think that it is the Bitcoin show currently, and altcoins will suffer. So that's the areas I would talk about for buying. So that's going to pretty much do it for today's video. Like I say, this is a private Discord server I have, which is on the Patreon. You will find it in the description and the comments of this video. All this down the left hand side, we have a lot going on. We also have a crypto trading academy here where we are putting loads of education and building that out over the course of the next few months. So that's going to do it. If you are new to this channel, please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.